In this engaging video, we uncover the meaning of vehement and how it influences our emotions. The term vehement is used to describe strong, intense feelings or expressions, such as passion, anger, or excitement. Imagine meeting someone who vehemently supports their favorite sports team. They might cheer loudly, jump with joy, and show extreme enthusiasm for every play. In our daily lives, we might feel vehemently about certain topics, like advocating for a cause we deeply care about or expressing our feelings in a heated argument. Understanding the power of vehement emotions can help us communicate better and connect with others on a deeper level. It's essential to recognize and manage these strong feelings, ensuring they don't overpower our judgment or lead to unnecessary conflicts. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of vehement emotions, learning to harness their energy positively and build stronger connections with ourselves and those around us. Let's embrace the passion within us and channel it towards creating a more compassionate and understanding world.